political science, and I'm proud to be a Noliborgian.
We will now announce the winners for Best in Antarctica Costumes. This year's Best in Antarctica Costume for the male category is no other than candidate number 3, Judge Curtis, College of Arts and Science. Candidate number 3, there you go. Explains why. Very creative.
Dale y fruta, dale y fruta.
My favorite color is pink. It's always pink because look like a tough guy. I'm here because of the people who loves me. I decided to join here in Mr. and Miss Olivares College because I want to raise the flag of the Political Science Society. And I want to prove that Political Science Society can compete with others. Because I want to be successful.
And candidate number 8, JP Fontiveros. Congratulations, men, for making it this far. Alright, and once again, we'll have Camille Baltazar read a question for you.
Okay, if you had 30 minutes a day to do anything you wanted, what will that be?
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Unahan ko na po. Magsasalita pa ako ng Tagalog dahil sabi nga ni Jose Rizal, mahalin ang sariling wika. Ito po ang sagot ko sa inyo pong katanungan. Ang gagawin ko po sa 30 minutes ay magdadasal po ako. Magsusorry po ako sa lahat ng mga taong sinaktan ko. Magpapasalamat ako sa lahat na sumuporta sa akin. Sasabihin ko sa lahat na mahal ko kayong lahat. Yun lamang po. Salamat po.
Number 3. Congratulations. Alright, and our Miss Olivares College 2013 second runner-up is no other than